Assalamualaikum friend, it's me your host Muzammil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here to introduce you a very new token site. It's a very safe and profitable token site. You can search it on Google Chrome by writing its name. Its name is safeflight.site, and I also give you its link in my video description. In this video, first of all, I teach you how we can buy it on our Trust Wallet, and then we talk about their social groups like Telegram and Twitter, and we discuss about their BSC scan and their tokenomics and why you should choose Safe Flight and their light paper also. First of all, I teach you how we can buy it on the our Trust Wallet or other wallet. First of all, it is necessary to download our Trust Wallet in your phone and open it. First of all, we select on their D apps and go back to the main site and copy their token address. When we copy the token address, then go back to the D apps and select the Pancake Swap. When we select the Pancake Swap, it is necessary to choose the smart chain like light here. In the pancakeswap.finance in the wallet, you can set their setting like swap or their liquidity by editing there on 0.5, 1%, 0.5%, or 1%. And their transaction deadline is also 20% on every tolerance slippage. Then go back to the pancake swap first page and select and choose the BNB on this place or BNB smart chain on this place by for buying the and select the token by paste the address that we copied, and we find out is SFL token. SFL token, import it on our pancake swap and just buy it by their pancake swap. When we select the tokens like BNB at this place and SFL on this place, then we write the amount of BNB that we want to buy the SFL token. We write the 01 and you can buy this amount of SFL token by 01 BNB. If we write 0.001 BNB, then this is the approximate figure that we buy by the 0.001 BNB. When we select the amount, then we go scroll down and buy there by pressing the button like at this place. Because my wallet is empty, so this is showing insufficient SFL balance. I teach you how you can buy on the pancake swap of SFL token. Then we go back to our main site and discuss their social groups like Twitter and Telegram. You can join there by if you join and follow them, you can update by their updates every day at single page. Then go to their tokenomics, funding growth, 10% of dev wallet used to fund and growth of the token, safety 3%, automatic liquidity, LP with every transaction providing a strong and stable price floor and the bettering our holders' ability to trade. Reward is 5% of every transaction redistributed between holders, BAM 2%, burn on every transaction and contract renounced, revoking permission to asset. Assert control over the contract security is liquidity pool locked and DX locker for 1 year security strong these LP tokens in a smart contract relieving holders of investment and anxiety marketing 5% valid held for influencer marketing strategy. Why you should choose safe flight. There are some reasons that why you should choose safe flight, sorry. Constant growth in value SFL token due to its deflationary nature. Safe flight's value will constantly increase on every transaction. Full protection against scammers. Future products safety granted due to pre-auditing KYC verification and valuation of tokenomics. Layered marketing. Safe flights marketing wallet will be used to increase awareness regarding the project and to support the project launch through its launched. Then other reason is earned for by holding 5% of each transaction done will be distributed to current holders and liquidity locked for 1 year. Another reason is their exclusivity. And we discuss their light paper. If we want to know about their other information in detail, just go to their light paper and download them by pressing their light paper right now. Safe Flight Coin Protocol, we have identified the key issues serious projects are facing at launch due to the increasing number of the scam tokens, trust, reach, and funds. Safe Flight aims to be a trusted BSC launchpad which also sponsor the projects it launched with funds for marketing campaigns. Projects would be verified and audited thoroughly in order to ensure buyer safety. Once a project passes all the verification, it would then get launched and receive funds from Safe Flight to ensure steady growth. Owner of more than 500 Safe Flight will gain early access to these tokens. Then we go to their roadmaps and discuss their roadmap. Quarter one is the conceptualize and create the framework, foundations, and functionality of SFL. Initial marketing push connect with major influencers. Quarter two is launch site and social media conduct stealth fair launch and lock liquidity. Begin aggressive marketing and campaign to build SFL community and holders. Apply for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Blockfolio, and Delta. Release full white paper, and in quarter three they are secure listing on major exchange and continue to build partnerships. A professional audit and SFL app launch and flight swap exchange. And in quarter four is TBA. And at last it is how to buy and their address. You can copy your address at this place and paste in the pancake swap by finding out there or by adding their import their tokens on their pancake swap. So we discuss in detail. Thank you for all for seeing my complete video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.